I'm Kurt Penner here to demonstrate the Cascade Alcove from Penner Manufacturing. Cascade Alcove is primarily used in assisted living settings and primarily for independent or semi-independent residents. It's easy to transfer into the 19-inch seat of the Cascade Alcove by just sitting your resident down and having them swing their legs into the spa. Once into the spa, the door is easy to operate. And all we need to do is push the door up against the side wall of the spa and push the handle down. One-hand operation to lock the door. In order to unlock the door, we require a two-hand operation by pulling up the door release handle and operating the lever mechanism. Once in the spa, very easy to operate. Tub fill button. This turns on your Aqua Air Jets by Penner, which is your water movement, and this operates your hand shower. This knob here is our Rata 320 mixing valve, and our drain plug fits nicely and uniquely into the drain stop area. To turn on the spa water fill feature, all we need to do is push the tub fill button. Water then starts to fill the spa. The temperature of the water coming from the spigot is shown here with the fill shower temperature gauge. This temperature gauge also will tell you the temperature of the water coming out of the hand shower wand, which is located to the left of the resident. When I activate the hand shower button, the shower wand activates to wash and rinse your resident. The mixing valve located here will adjust your water temperature. To the left is hot, and to the right is cold. To turn the jets on and create the whirlpool agitation, we push the Aqua Air button. Once the appropriate time of bathing has been accomplished, we start to drain the water from the spa and we get ready to disinfect. And the disinfectant buttons are located at the front end of the tub, with the disinfectant button being yellow and the rinse button being clear. Once the resident has been taken back to their room, it is now time to disinfect the spa. Close and lock the door as previously explained earlier in this video. Put and place the drain plug in its proper place. Push and hold the disinfection button. When I push and hold the disinfection button, properly metered solution will be forced into the spa through the air jets, creating the disinfection process. At this point, I have left a pool of water in the basin and would use a long-handled brush to scrub the sides of the spa. Let the disinfection sit for the proper contact time, which will be determined by the disinfectant that you use. Once that time has been accomplished, unleash the dirty water through the drain and then push the rinse button to rinse the jets. Once clear water is seen, we push the Aqua Air button to finish the disinfection process. we are now ready for our next bath. Two features that we also want to show you with this video is the easy access for maintenance. The first over here on top of the spa is a lid that allows you access to all mixing valve components, so you never have to pull our spa away from the wall in case of the rare need of maintenance. Over here by my hip is a locked door where you are able to pull out the entire plumbing system of the Cascade Alcove to work on solenoid valves in case you have an issue there. The reason for both these features is to never have to pull the spa away from the wall and ease of maintenance. Thank you.